Crypto.com coin, Cronos or Cro, is designed for buyers and merchants that want to use and accept crypto in privacy, security, and convenience. The Cro's meteoric rise shows no signs of losing steam, and it has become the fastest rising crypto in terms of market capitalization. The issue for you and me is whether or not we'll be a part of it. To make that decision, we must explore the benefits of Cronos to the market, because the market is the true price drivers. Today, we'll look into Cronos or Cro, the native token that supports the whole range of services provided by Crypto.com. Reminder, this is just information, not a piece of advice that you should invest in Cro Coin. You're watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest news about crypto, blockchain, and NFTs. Make sure to watch the video until the end and like it if you benefit from it. Also, beware of scam comments in the comment section. Don't give anyone your personal info or even sign on to an anonymous site. We'll never ask you to contact us on WhatsApp. Scalability is a key issue impeding the widespread use of blockchain technology. The term scalability refers to a blockchain's ability to handle a massive flood of transactions that occur on the blockchain at the same time. If that is not possible by a blockchain, then users who have initiated transactions that exceed the blockchain's threshold will stay in a queue only if the blockchain is not configured for scalability, and those who pay the most commission or the gas fees will be in the front of the queue. Well, Crypto.com solves the scalability challenge by providing instant payment confirmations while simultaneously facilitating scaling in response to a rising number of transactions through Cro Coin. And this is possible as the Crypto.com chain's transaction confirmation time is less than 1 second, and the platform claims to accommodate more than 50,000 transactions a second once the testnet is fully implemented. What exactly is Cro? Cro is the crypto coin of the Crypto.com chain, a blockchain developed by Crypto.com. The primary purpose of the token is to let you pay for real-world items with your cryptocurrency by changing it into fiat money like pounds, sterling, and US dollars in real time. Crypto.com also collaborates with businesses to ensure that the payments are accepted as fast and in many places as possible. Also, back then it was named MCO and was developed on the Ethereum blockchain, whereas Crypto.com was branded Monaco. However, they rebranded and changed the token into Cro, as it is currently called. What's Crypto.com? Well, it's a Hong Kong-based corporation with approximately 1,000 employees. Its services include staking, not just Cro, but also Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos. And also, it is a crypto exchange with more assets than Coinbase, has crypto Visa debit cards, has an NFT marketplace, offers crypto loans, and much more. The objective was, and continues to be, to make crypto more accessible and adaptable to the community. They eventually want your mother and father to utilize crypto for their weekly shopping, of course, through their services. Now, as I've said, crypto debit cards, you must be wondering, when did that come into the crypto space? Well, you load the card with a crypto of your choosing and it works just like a regular debit card. But in reality, the business is selling part of your cryptos on Crypto.com, then turning the money into fiat currency and moving it from your card to the shop account. It might seem simple, but there are some complex processes involved. Well, if you want to know more about it, then stay connected with the channel by pressing the sub. Now, do you know how this coin came to where it is now? Well, if you don't, let me tell you. Crypto.com was founded in 2016 and they had a successful ICO in 2017 to introduce their MCO coin. So back then, they were attempting to accomplish their objectives through the MCO coin. Then, in December of 2018, Cro was officially presented through an airdrop through the smartphone application. The airdrop lasted 6 months and was then locked for an extra year. And with the launching of the Crypto.com exchange, Cro became easily accessible to the market. Then, on August 2nd, 2020, Crypto.com phased out the MCO token in favor of the Cro token. Holders of the MCO token could exchange their MCO tokens for Cro tokens at a 1:33 ratio. And then the final change happened in 2022 when Crypto.com decided to name the token Cronos, while the Cro ticker remained the same. Then, why are crypto people buzzing about Cro? Along with the many products and services it offers, part of the value increase is due to Crypto.com's announcement of a 20-year deal for the name rights to Los Angeles' Staples Center, home of the Los Angeles Lakers, Los Angeles Sparks, Los Angeles Clippers, and Los Angeles Kings. It cost the crypto business around $700 million, while the associated marketing efforts cost approximately $1 billion. It also has a $100 million agreement with Formula One and a sponsorship with the Montreal Canadiens of the National Hockey League. It looks to be a true power play since these agreements will connect the brand with some of the largest sports organizations, while people in the know will be more aware about Crypto.com intentions, and the general public will at least see the name Crypto.com in large letters on their teams or opponents' stadium and beyond. This will make it a starting point for those who want to ultimately become involved with crypto. And when a crypto is that visible and works with a large corporation, its value is surely to rise and create a hype. That could be the case, but what are the chances that it's going to happen? Well, it's difficult to predict if the price will continue to rise continuously. However, the currency obviously has many applications and is making a point of becoming a mainstream advertiser across sports, so more people will be aware of it, and perhaps it will have a rise in price. However, the government could attempt to tighten up on taxes since people can easily circumvent them using crypto, or Elon Musk could tweet anything, who knows? In short, when it comes to new coins, everything is possible, and you should always take a cautious approach when it comes to investing your money.